Yeah, so GKN's been involved for a number of years, and they've had leadership there that is really committed to being part of the community and developing the next generation of engineering talent. And they're one of our best examples of what we want in an industry supporter.
We're a Tier 1 automotive parts supplier. In e-powertrain division, we do drivetrain components. So we make front and rear drivetrain for the big three. We're doing 2 plants here in Newton. We have 1 gear machining facility, and then we have 1 which is an assembly plant.
So the main reason for the project is that the QA station at GKN right now is taking up a lot of time inspecting parts individually. So the goal of the project was to make it more streamlined.
We started off square one with coming up with some CAD models. We explored different gantry and frame options. The PLC programming, I've never done ladder logic. None of the team has ever done ladder logic in a Siemens PLC. So there was a learning curve. Almost everything which we did here, with the exception of our computer engineer with some machine learning, none of us have done. And with talk with our supporter, we really cleared up, all right, this is what we're gonna have it do. We're gonna have a tack time of 20 seconds with this thing. We're going to handle all 8 of their parts, and it's only going to be pinions, no rings. Outputting pass and fail information to a CSV file in Excel, and then having an alarm on the PLC signifying, all right, there's a fail.
It's a multi-$1,000 project because that's a real-world solution to a problem that a company of our size has. You know, we're a $7 billion a year corporation. We don't do a lot of cheap fixes. We do right fixes, and that's engineering rigor.
Going into the project, I don't think that any of us thought that it was going to be to the scale that it's turned out to be. I think we kind of had it definitely on a smaller scale idea, but it's kind of grown and grown over time as we realized exactly how much it's going to take to do it.
Taking that concept that's in our head and now it's sitting on a table in front of us is like a very surreal moment. Seeing all that we've done and gotten accomplished in over just a year.
From what we were given, we were not expecting it to be this complex, but the fact that we were able to complete the project to where it is now, I think it says a lot about our team.
It's more than what we anticipated. The solution came with a camera system where I was figuring they were going to have only measurement in laser gauges. And they said, no, we can do it. We know how to teach this camera, we know how to learn the camera, and they're excited to then try a new technology that we're not using today. So I think above and beyond is definitely what they've done with this project.
The professors and the staff really want you to succeed. Nobody's out to fail you. You put the work in, you're gonna pass, you're gonna succeed in this industry, in this engineering program at UNC Charlotte. Other schools I've seen people as just a number. Here, they care about you.